Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how you can update Capcut on your Android phone. So the first thing you have to do is just open the App Store, search for Capcut video editor, and right here as you can see my application is up to date because I have this open button right here. But if you have update instead of open, just go forward and hit update to update your Capcut application. If you are having trouble accessing App Store, if the App Store is not working for you and you cannot update the application from here, here's what you have to do. Just open the browser you're using on your phone mobile, and right here you have to search for Capcut APK download. And if you scroll down, you have right here apkpure.com. Just go and click on that. And right here, as you can see, you have this download APK button. You just go forward and hit that and just download the application, then install it. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.